my friends, and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. In today's video, we're going to be using some printable decorative stickers here in my Erin Condren Life Planner. If this is your first time watching a Plan With Me video, welcome. This is a fun way to decorate for the week. It's a mix between scrapbooking and planning, and I love it. It's a great way to be creative and takes me back to enjoying stickers when I was a kiddo. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm using this beautiful fall kit. It is a printable kit that I purchased on Etsy. I don't remember who it's from right this second, but I will link it for you down below. I printed on sticker paper that I purchased from Amazon that is full sheet shipping label paper. I print it on my my color printer, and then I cut it using a Silhouette cutting machine. It is an extremely affordable and easy way to, constantly have new decorative stickers for my planner. And it's great in a pinch when you don't have a kit that you're looking for. So for example, I just had purchased 2 beautiful foiled kits back in August from a shop I had never purchased from, and they were supposed to be shipping to me and they weren't coming, and unfortunately the shop is no longer open and I just got a refund. So I needed a kit last minute, and so I hopped on to Etsy and was able to find this kit, and I thought it was perfect because this is peak week right now in New England, and that just means that all of the fall foliage is turning colors, and these colors are exactly what I see everywhere around my house. And that one double sticker there with the beautiful house with all of the fall foliage around it is exactly what my home looks like right now, and I am obsessed. Every window that you look out of in our home, you see nothing but beautiful orange and yellow trees, and it's just so very magical. So I felt like this kit was perfect. This bottom washi is a little bit large, but it's still really pretty. It has the little Polaroid pictures, and it's really, really sweet. So that's what we're doing now. We're just going to get all of our, bones of our weekly kit down. Now, if this is something you're like, why is she doing this? This is completely unnecessary. These life planners are, perfect to use just by jotting things inside of them. However, this is a way for me to be fun and creative every week, and I love it. I sit down with my cup of coffee. I, have my phone calendar out. I have the kids' school calendar. I have my work calendar, and it gives me an opportunity to sit down and think about what I have going on for the week, who needs to go where, what needs to happen where, and it's a great way to keep track of all of those things. Plus, it just looks really pretty, and it's fun to kind of finger through when, I'm sitting down to do the new week. I like to kind of finger through and look at the previous weeks. So, and a lot of you, not a lot of you anymore, but when I originally had started this channel, it was a spin-off of my first channel, Cardboard Couture, which was a planner channel. And all I did was plan with me. It's for like the first 2 years that I was on YouTube. And then I kind of branched off and started this channel, and so a lot of people have followed me from that channel, and so I love to be able to bring this piece as well. I feel like this is just a great way to kind of round out my channel. So hopefully you find these videos relaxing and enjoyable. That's what, my hope is for them. Even if you don't use a decorative planner, hopefully you can find a little bit of relaxation when watching these types of videos. I absolutely love them. So I'm just putting down some glitter headers right now. The kit did not come with headers, so if you do purchase this kit, just know headers did not come with this kit unless I didn't print a page, which very well could be. So I went through my stash of glitter headers, and I found some that don't match, perfectly, but they match okay. Those top ones look pretty good. But the colors are not perfect for the kit, but that's okay. And I think I would have preferred a non-glitter header for this kit, but this is all I had. So we're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. So this week is nice. We've got a short week. It's only 4 days for work, which is lovely because we're home on Monday for Indigenous People Day, which is great. I'm deciding here to change out this bottom washi. I had done this a couple of times with the top washi as well. I just cut that out of the video so that you didn't have to see it. This tool that I'm using right here is actually a palette knife. It's for putting paint on and off of a paint palette. And it's actually a gift from my friend Nikki from the shop Nikki Plus 3. She had gifted that to me, I don't know, 100 years ago, maybe back in like 2018. To use to, it's a really great tool to just kind of slide underneath your sticker and to pull it up. So there is also something you can use called Goo Gone, which will, no, it's not Goo Gone, it's something else. There's another tool that we can use to take off a sticker, and it does dry the paper. I have to find it. I used to have it. It was really, really great for lifting up like full boxes. I haven't used it in 100 years, and I don't currently have any, but I'll find it. So for people who are like, what do you do if something changes? You can either put a new sticker on top of it or pull the sticker up entirely. But anyway, this is just a fun way to decoratively, plan for the week. And I love to do this every single week. So hopefully your week is going really well. My week has been insane. We had professional development days at school. And I was presenting, so I did a lot of prep work for that. We are still in the throes of soccer and cross country and dance. So it's been a little bit crazy, but things are going to slow down here in the next few weeks. Soccer will be ending, cross country will be ending, and then we'll be kind of taking a breather. We don't do sports all year long. It's just, I don't think it's very good for my kiddos, for their mental health to be that stressed all the time. So we don't do sports all year long, but we do, pick seasons. Right now I am adding in some heart checklists. These, I believe, are from Simply Watercolor Co. I'm not sure if her shop is still open. I need to look. She was my friend back in Las Vegas too. We were neighbors and we met for food a couple of times, which was fun. But so I'm just going to put down those checklists, and then we're going to get into the sidebar as well. So we're going to flip back over to the other side, and then I'm going to fill in the sidebar. There was no habit tracker for this week, so that's what I'm looking for. I didn't notice there was no habit tracker, so we're just going to have to kind of wing it. So I use this piece of washi to cut it down just for some decorative piece, and then I did bring in a list to list out the weekly chores that I like to get done. I like to do that because it's fun to check it off. There's nothing more satisfying than checking something off a list, I feel. So definitely going to have a list every week for weekly chores that I need to get done. But also going back to the crazy busy week. So funny, crazy story. My PayPal got hacked this week. So nuts. Somebody had hacked and got into my PayPal and had changed my account to a business account. They changed the name, they changed they added a phone number, they added an address, but luckily they hadn't spent any money, and I kind of follow those things like a hawk. I'm so terrified about my identity being stolen. And luckily, PayPal had a phone number. I called them. The woman, her name was Simone. She was fantastic. She helped me fix everything. She told me this is kind of how they do it. Then they slowly start adding little tiny charges to your account. So I'm just really thankful that I caught that in time. She was incredible for helping me. So that was crazy though. I don't know, I was really stressed out about it. I felt super violated, you know what I mean, by what had happened. It's creepy to think that somebody can get into your stuff like that. Okay. So for Monday, I'm putting in that we had no school. I'm using this half box. When I'm doing this voiceover, that's today. It's Monday today. We have no school today for Indigenous People Day. I used that cute little decorative sticker there that says cozy. Now that decorative sheet came from my friend Nikki Plus 3. She had sent that to me, but it's the same artwork. So I had to use it this week because it was just gorgeous. And then I'm using these little play button stickers from Print and Plan to put in my YouTube videos this week, which is today's plan with me, which is what you're watching. And then for Tuesday, I have a hair appointment this day, and I'm actually bringing my son, my oldest son, to get his hair cut as well. So I'm going to use a little quarter box, which is like bigger than a tiny box, but smaller than a half box. So I don't know, one of these little orange boxes. And we're going to put in that I've got my hair appointment after work. I'm also going to pull in a super cute little sticker from a little primrose sticker. I can't remember the name of the shop. Tickled Pink Planning, maybe, of her getting her hair done. So cute. I think I only have one of those, and I've always wanted to use it and I always forget. So I'm glad that I found it. And then I'm putting in for Wednesday's video. Wednesday's video is going to be another Halloween decorate with me. We're going to be doing my outside of my house. I am so excited to do this. And I'm going to also be telling our famous ghost story, our family ghost story. So make sure you tune into that. And then I'm also putting in for Thursday, it's my nephew's birthday, so I'm using that little pie sticker, felt appropriate, to put in his birthday. He's the same age as my oldest son. They're a couple of months apart, so I'm going to put that in. And then I'm also going to put in Friday's Cook With Me video. Friday's Cook With Me video is going to be brunch. I'm so excited to share that with you guys. And then we're also going to put in movie night for Friday night, of course. And I have this really adorable little sheet full of movies here from Print and Plan that is all in that really pretty font. And I'm stealing the one that says Goosebumps. That's a good family favorite. So we're going to put that one on there. And then for Saturday, we do have soccer literally all day long. So I'm just putting in a sticker that says soccer all day. I'm not going to put in the individual times. I have that in my planner. In the calendar in my phone. And I also have it in on the calendar in our kitchen. We have a calendar in our pantry. So I have it written on there where everybody can see that. That's just my reminder. Don't make any plans this day. It's also the day that I do a lot of filming. And then I'm also going to put in that we have picture day this day because it is soccer picture day. So I've got to make sure everybody looks nice that day. And then we're going to put in our last video for the week, and that is Sunday. Oh, wait. First, we're going to put a sticker on this picture day sticker, just a little piece of deco. And then we're also going to put in Sunday's Sunday reset video, and I'm excited for you guys to see that one. That is a jam-packed video. I filmed it. I filmed it yesterday on Sunday. It's got a ton of stuff in it for you, even some cooking and everything. So stay tuned for that. And then we also have a soccer game that day at 12:30. So we don't normally have soccer on Sundays, but we do that week. So I wanted to go ahead and make sure I remembered that. Now I'm going to go in and put in a quarter box every day underneath my checklist for our meal plan. I had not meal planned when I was filming this. It was first thing in the morning on Sunday, and so I hadn't sat down and I'm sorry, it wasn't Sunday. It was Saturday. And I hadn't meal planned yet. So that ended up getting done later on in the day, and I did end up filling it out. So Monday we're doing family dinner with Danny's parents. We normally do it Sundays, but because of the long weekend, we're doing it today. We're doing tacos on Tuesday, and that's all I have so far. I don't have anything else done in the planner. I didn't write it down yet, so stay tuned. I'll fill you in on what we've got going on for meals for the rest of the week. But that is all of the stickers that I have for this week, for this plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, found it relaxing, found some motivation. And if you are a decorative planner, let me know down below if you are doing Halloween kits or fall kits for the week. I'm curious. All right, my friends, until the next video, I hope you guys have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.